HOTBRAIDS sent me their 3C4A Exotic Kinky Coily Upgrade Crochet Human Hair in natural black. I dyed the hair jet black to match my hair. This is 100% human hair. They provided some styling tools, crochet needle, edge brush, fine tooth comb, clips, and a water bottle, and instructions to care for the hair. So this is my braid pattern with the perimeter and the middle part left out so I can be able to wear my hair 3 different ways. I would recommend braiding a little bit smaller than what you see so that you can prevent any gaps. Okay, time for a quick tutorial on the install. So you want to slide the crochet needle through your braid. You want to open the latch and loop a small section of the hair onto the hook. Close the latch and pull the hair through. You only need 1 loop to secure the hair. This way, it'll be easy to take down. Also, be mindful of only looping with the invisible string and not with the hair itself. Now, for the takedown, you're going to see that I am using the end of a rat tail comb to pick through the invisible knot, carefully trying to lift it and pull it through. Really easy. Now you see me twisting the hair back because this hair gets really big. So I want to put it away so I can be able to finish my install. So this is the entire bundle. 1 bundle is more than enough for your head. This is the hair defined. Really drench your hair. Drench, 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 drench. Smooth it out. Allow the hair to absorb the water. Go in with my mousse. I have a generous amount. No need to be light with this. I kind of do like a little bit like finger raking. Yeah, I rake my fingers through the hair and like just like a little baby detangler in the brush. And look how easy it is. Like so easy to detangle. And this way, like when you detangle the hair, you allow the mousse to be evenly distributed through the hair. Nice and soft. See, it even has like a nice shine. This is just mousse alone. And I'm gonna add my gel. Gel to the hair. I don't know which section it is. Add a good amount. Rake, rake, rake. Put the hair nice and juicy. Just hold like it, and then I comb it. Brush it. Brush it. I need a bigger paddle brush, but you see if you get my point. So now it's time to trim the hair. So what I've learned is for curly hair, you don't want to go straight across. That's a mistake I've made in the past. You want to go on a diagonal. Create layers in the front, you know. I think that's the most we're going to do, to be honest. Just cut ends that around a little bit. Same products I'm using for my leave-out that I've used for my crochet hair. Then I diffused on low heat. So here are the final results. This hair looks so natural. I can wear it in the middle part, side part, half up, or in a high ponytail. The possibilities are endless. Link and coupon code for the hair in the description box. Thank you HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring this video. Give the video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.